was more than just a fighter jet. It has many memories and legends attached. And on a bittersweet Friday morning in Chandigarh, it flew for the last time. India bid farewell to its most enduring warrior of the skies, the MiG-21, a jet that didn't just fly missions but flew history. From dogfights in 1971 to guarding Kargil's icy heights to striking deep in Balakot, this was the machine that stood tall when the nation called. For 62 unbroken years, it carried the weight of India's defence with no questions asked. With thunder in its wings and pride in its flight, the MiG-21 soared once more, leading the sky in perfect formation, bowing out the only way it knew, with dignity, power and grace. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh called it a living legend, a symbol of valour, courage and unmatched service.
आप लोगों ने देखा कि MiG-21 की फाइनल फ्लाई पास्ट को एयर चीफ मार्शल एपी सिंह ने स्वयं लीड किया है और यह इस मशीन की क्रेडिबिलिटी और एयर वॉरियर्स के मन में इसके सम्मान को दर्शाता है। इतने लंबे समय तक MiG-21 अनेक वीरतापूर्ण कृत्यों का साक्षी रहा है। इसका योगदान किसी एक घटना तक या केवल एक युद्ध तक सीमित नहीं रहा है। 1971 के वार से लेकर कारगिल के युद्ध तक या फिर बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक से लेकर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर तक ऐसा कोई क्षण नहीं रहा जब MiG-21 ने हमारी आर्म्ड फोर्सेस को जबरदस्त मजबूती न प्रदान की हो।
A jet that trained hundreds of fearless pilots and brought many back home.
बहुत अच्छे से याद करूँगा। बहुत एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लाई करते करते आपका जीवन भी उसी के साथ बीत रहा है। आप भी सीखते हैं, आप भी आगे बढ़ते हैं। तो मुझे लगता है कि इट इज़ वेरी enlightening for anybody, and for me, I would say it is a personal journey, of my growth along with the aircraft. So I'm feeling great to be here.
Air Chief Marshal AP Singh himself took to the skies, flying with squadron leader Priya Sharma, paying homage not just with words but with wings. At the airbase, officers marched with pride and heavy hearts, saluting a commander that never spoke but always stood guard.
Factually, I had never thought in my living life that I'll see this day when MiG-21 will not be part of the Indian Air Force or part of our life. You see, when I say every MiG pilot's life, because whether you are there or not, you can anytime go and visit the squadron. You can touch the aircraft, you can sit in the cockpit. You can't fly, of course, but everything else. So you always felt it was always there. But after today, we can't do that.
I'm feeling highly emotional, and even my wife had tears in her eyes. So I'm very sentimental at the moment. And how do I feel? The aircraft has been great for our country. It's been great for a lot of pilots.
And then the engines slowed. The silence fell and MiG-21 stood still under a water cannon salute. It wasn't just a farewell to a fighter jet. It was goodbye to an era.
MiG-21, that happened to be India's first supersonic, was now retired at Chandigarh Air Force Station. In 62 years of its service, it had taken on uncountable operations, complex missions, and every time it brought India victorious. Starting from the 1965 war to the 1971 bombing of the Governor House in Dhaka, to 1999 and 2019 post-Balakot strike when F-16 of Pakistan was shot down, and most recent one, the 2025 Operation Sindoor. Every time MiG-21 flew, it flew victorious and kept the nation's head high. This is Shivani Sharma with camera person Prem Chand for India Today from Chandigarh.